he's away. It'd be nice to be this year.
Yeah.
We're going to fund a second magistrate for the Kimberley. We will have a second magistrate in place, we hope, by July. It reflects the very large geographical area that a single magistrate has been covering for a long time, but also, obviously, the increased workload. We have listened to the requests of the local community here and Carol Martin, but also people involved in the judicial system in the Kimberley. We recognise there is a need, there has been a need for some time to provide a better service, a more complete service. Very difficult for a single person to service the entire Kimberley. So we are applying $700,000 for the recruitment and employment of a second magistrate, and we want to get that in place ASAP. We're also opening a legal aid office, or funding a legal aid office in Kununurra, and we anticipate the new legal aid office in Kununurra will be open in May next month. There are a few factors, obviously, other than geography, which bear on this decision. One is population. The second is the rise in the number of criminal matters that the magistrate has had to deal with, quite a significant rise. We have also put a lot more emphasis on law enforcement in the Kimberley. We've put into place our multifunction police stations, and they obviously have an impact, and therefore an impact on the workload of everybody involved in the legal system, not the least of which the magistrate.
The new magistrate will be based in Kununurra, servicing the East Kimberley. So the Broome magistrate will extend out as far as Fitzroy Crossing. The East Kimberley towns will be serviced by the new magistrate. We're not sure yet whether it will be an experienced magistrate from Perth who wants to come and work here in the Kimberley, or whether it will be a new appointee. We'll be advertising in the next fortnight for a magistrate to come and do this work, but there's obviously an opportunity for somebody from Perth who would like to come to the Kimberley and work in this area rather than the central law courts. We have less than 20% of the people in the Kimberley actually turning up for jury duty when they're summoned. About 14% in Broome, about 19% in Kununurra. That's not good enough, because the jury system is a cornerstone of our justice system. If we have most members of the public not willing to participate when summoned to attend as jurors, the whole system is then likely to collapse. So we want to make sure that we get people to turn up, and for that reason we're spending $40,000 throughout the Kimberley on trying to impress upon people their important civic duty, to impress upon people that the justice system relies upon them as jurors. It's a particular problem here in the Kimberley. People have got other commitments. We want to bring home to people that this is a vitally important commitment that they have.
Which one are we looking at?